Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can cancel Acorns App Subscription. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, for cancellation of your subscription, open the Acorns app or website, go through the application settings area or select profile and settings from the website, then choose my subscription, click on the options area and find my subscription. After that, select cancel subscription and look for the cancel subscription or close account. Now observe the instructions. Acorns will help you with the cancellation procedure, which may include verifying your choice and selecting the effective date of the cancellation for withdrawing your money. Link a bank account if you don't have one already. Make sure you have a verified bank account in your Acorns Invest account. Now your withdrawal will be forwarded to this address. Then click on the Invest region, go to the Applications Invest section or click the Invest link on the website. Next, choose to withdraw browse in the investing area for withdrawal option. Now select the amount you want to withdraw. Acorns also display the balance for withdrawal. After that, confirm your bank account link where you want to receive your amount. Then verify all of your information again and submit your withdrawal request now for finishing your account. Follow these steps. Account closure occurs immediately when you cancel your subscription. Next, for verification of completion of the account, double-check your app or website to confirm your account is closed. So that's basically how you can cancel Acorns App Subscription. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.